For years, Subaru saved its best cars for the Japanese market. This changed at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show when the firm introduced the WRX STI S209. The S209 is a limited edition car that takes the concept of a WRX STI in an even more hardcore direction. Yes, that's apparently possible. The bulged vented hood hides an evolution of the standard STI's 310 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-4 engine. It makes 341 horsepower in this application thanks in part to a bigger turbocharger. Subaru didn't release a torque figure, but it claims the S209 is its most powerful series production car ever. That's a bold claim from a company that has stood out by making rally-inspired sports sedans and hot hatches for decades. The turbocharged flat-4 sends its power to all four wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. That's the only transmission available. You can't get the S209 with an automatic. Visually, the S209 stands out thanks to a body kit that adds fender flares which widen the body by 1.7 inches and a massive wing on the trunk lid. This is definitely not a low-key way to roll, and that was not Subaru's intention. Inside, Subaru added Recaro bucket seats for the front passengers, and there is a plaque right behind the gear selector engraved with the car's serial number. The 2020 Subaru WRX STI S209 will go on sale later in 2019. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but Subaru will only send about 200 cars to the US market. Our advice is to act fast if you want one.